Hello friends, so welcome to our LinkedIn series, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add about section in a LinkedIn profile. So without wasting any time, let's get started. We'll go to add profile section, add about. I have already copied my things which I have to write it here, so I'll just paste it over here. And yeah, what I have written, I'll just read it out. Currently pursuing BCom degree from Gagi College of Delhi University, and currently my focus is on learning and exploration. And in last, I have just asked for feel free to reach out for collaboration or just friendly conversations. You can connect me via LinkedIn. Looking forward for connecting with like-minded individuals. So yeah, and I'll just save this. Once your section is being updated, you can scroll it down and can see that it has been updated here. And further, if I want to edit, I can just go to this edit icon over here and I can edit my about section. So this is all for this video. Here we have learned how to add your about section in your LinkedIn profile. So thank you.